In today's video, we take to the sky with one of the most feature-packed foldable drones of the year, the G66 MAX GPS Drone. Sleek, compact, and loaded with smart technology, the G66 MAX is designed for creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts who want pro-level performance without the premium price tag. When folded, it measures just 15.5 by 7.5 by 9.7 centimeters, making it ultra-portable. But once unfolded, it transforms into a full-size aerial photography machine. At the heart of the drone is an HD dual camera system, featuring a front ESC camera with electronic stabilization and a bottom optical flow camera for enhanced precision. Combined with 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission, you get smooth, lag-free FPV footage, whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or flying low for detailed shots. The G66 MAX is powered by brushless motors, delivering stronger flight performance, quieter operation, and improved durability. And thanks to its intelligent flight system, including optical flow visual positioning, GPS mode, and full obstacle avoidance, the drone remains stable and safe even in challenging environments. The smart feature list doesn't stop there. With Ultra HD 4K recording, 50x zoom, vertical shooting modes, gesture photography, beauty filters, and instant MV creation, this drone truly empowers creators. Whether you're shooting content for social media or capturing special moments outdoors, the G66 MAX gives you the tools to elevate your footage. The drone's long-lasting battery life supports extended flights, while its screen remote control and mobile app control give you flexibility at any skill level. With intelligent functions like trajectory flying, one-button takeoff and landing, follow-me tracking, and GPS auto return, flying becomes easy, safe, and incredibly fun. So join us as we test flight distance, camera performance, obstacle avoidance, and overall stability to see whether the G66 MAX GPS drone deserves a spot in your aerial gear bag. Let's launch and see what this drone can really do.